Alright, you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can increase the quality of your image. But before we dive in, if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you won't miss any creative content that is being dropped. Without further ado, let's get started. So, having gone to Pinterest and other websites and you get the images, they are very bad, their resolution is not good. So this is what you do to increase the image quality so that you can use it effectively. So these are some of the images I got from Pinterest. So let me say that I download this from Pinterest and I want to use it for my design. I cannot use this like this. What I will do is that I will come here and open it on my Photoshop. So you can see from here, you can see that the quality of this picture is not good. If I use it on my design like this, it will not be good. So what I will do is that I'll come here, image, from image, I will come to image size and do increase the resolution to 500. When you do this, it will enhance the picture and boost the picture. The picture will no more have that low quality. So once you have done this, the next thing we are going to do now is to go to the camera raw presets. This is what I do when I get those PNGs that you see I use in my design. I don't use them like that. So you can see that the quality now. You can see the quality now. So having done that, you just come to filter from here, come to camera raw. So when you go to camera raw, let's wait for the camera raw to open. So the next thing you come here, just come to basic. Just increase the clarity small, a little bit of the exposure. Then come here, come to details. Increase the noise reduction, both the color and noise reduction. These both, increase them. Then you can increase the sharpening and wait for it. So you can see how the picture is now. But after I'm done with this, there is another thing that I do that will make the picture to the PNG or the picture to look good. There is this Photoshop plugin. It is called Skin Finer. I will drop the link on the description of this video so that you can purchase it. You can see it. Skin Finer. This Skin Finer makes every rough part of the picture to look smooth. It is used for making the picture look smooth. Okay, instead of me to drop the link for you to purchase them, I will drop the links of where you can download it so that it will be easy for you. I can make it look light, the soften to be light. I can make it high. So that's how it works. You can see it. That's how it works. Let's just wait for it. And after this, what you do is you start removing the backgrounds of the picture that you want to increase the quality and use the work. I'm going to do this again for a picture, a main picture that has image. Let me find a picture that has image. Let me find a picture that has image. Okay, sorry. I have a picture that we have removed blur from. So that picture, after we have removed blur from the picture, so after I've removed the blur from the picture, so this is the picture that we remove the blur from. So after you have done that, you come to image size, the same pattern that I taught you guys. Make it 500. So when you increase the image quality, it will help boost whatever you are doing. It will help boost whatever you are doing. To help boost whatever you are doing in your works. To help boost it. So let's just wait for it. This is also wasting our time. Let us continue with the ones that we have. So based on that rope, I'm going to import the old one. Alright. See, okay, finally. So you can see now this the resolution has now increased. So from there, the same pattern I showed you for the beginning, this is how you do it from camera raw to scale final. That's how you'll be able to boost that picture and use it for your work and make your work look good. This is how to boost a picture quality. This will be after you have removed blur from it. After you have removed blurs from the picture, that's how it works. And use the work for your design. My system is lagging because of the discs. So I will stop this video here. I still remain Eken the Precious, your coach. Okay, it has opened. So the same pattern, come here, increase the clarity. Since the picture is light, just leave it. That's how it works. So after you have done this, you just remove the background and start using your work, your image. So this is how it works. Let me stop the picture here.